G1 Production presents. Ladies and gentlemen, from day to day, people trying to live, other people misgive. I can't explain left to right, you know, but I can tell you something different, so here go. No, so it's a bullshit from the left to the right, bullshitting me, bullshitting us. Why does it do it? I can't explain. Why they bullshitting us? I can't explain it. It's almost as though it's insane. I can't explain it why, but it's so crazy, it's so unjust, and it's so hazy. Difference is a bitch, you can't explain it. Guilt trip trying to pull me down. This is bullshit from the left, not the guilt trip. That doesn't even matter. What you gonna put it on a platter? But this bullshit, you know, the bullshit, darkness, injustice, I can't even explain it. So it's too big, corrupt for me to even start. Even if I say a little bit about this and that, you know, it will be only a little picture, a piece of what it is really for sure. I can't explain what to you to do, but you know the recommendation: do what you can, what you must, what you do. Can you do better? I don't know, people have been doing good before. Maybe now is the time to rip it up. The darkness, we unite together, that's what's up. I don't even know exactly for sure if this is how we do it, but I already know that bullshit we can't buy. I don't even know. We gotta try whatever it takes, but you know, you gotta keep it steady, like legit. You can't give up. Bullshit, I thought bullshit. It's even worse when it's outside of you. It's even worse. I don't even know, but apparently, if you be true inside, it reflect the outside. There's been people true, but I still can't explain why there's bullshit too. I can't really explain it. Know what you do, but a bullshit, a day in, day out. Bullshit, I like everything. If things were, I thought things were getting better. Things I thought would be light. I seen the light, it was coming and it was bright, but the bullshit, go. Whatever bullshit I do, whatever bullshit I know. Bullshitters, I'm talking about the world, not even about people necessarily. So yeah, there's bullshitters out there, the haters too. I break them apart if I got to, but it's not about them only. You know, there's bullshitter haters and there's bullshitter things. I can't even explain why there could be such injustice. It's corrupt. I don't even know, but this is so corrupt. It's some bullshit. I can't even explain. You can't even feel from my verse the amount of bullshit and corruptness that goes on day for day. Say, but it's still some small compared to it. So you thought this beat would be down, but we gotta keep going. There's too much to say, and I can't express even the fullest, even the tiny bit of it. But the tiny bit, I try like this, yo. Let's go, 1, 2, 3, bullshit. We can't buy, we can't live a life, fake shit. We can't do this shit. It's not about me trying to tell you what to do. I know you do better. You do so good, and you deserve so much better. I can't even explain. Yeah, there's corrupt people too, but the thing is, I can't even explain why there's so much bullshitting up in from the left to the right. I can't explain even the degree to it of it, you know, it ain't legit, so I can't even explain it. The only thing I can say is start a rebellion, but not by yourself. Get a whole group of people. Nobody knows this, but some people know this, that this might do something. If we just unite and do our rebellion, then maybe something will break and darkness too. Then finally life will be true. I can't explain it, but I gotta just tell you it. You know, it's like this: if we just unite, if the Jewish people just unite, you know, to do good things, just at least unite, so then maybe the darkness would end. For the world it'd be good too, you know. I don't pretend, so all the people in the world, you know, except for the most evil haters, it's gonna be good for you too. If you just stay true, don't just have baseless hatred. Don't act a fool. When you gotta hate, you hate the villains, but don't hate the good people too. Because if you do, then you become a villain fool. But now you gotta keep it legit. Can't buy bullshit. I I can't even express the bullshit. Can't you see? If you don't see, but I understand, man. There's been so much bullshit when there's so much bullshit around. I tell you, I understand. It's hard to see it as such. So I tell you like this, A to Z. Whatever you be, break the darkness, unite, and you know be a G. Maybe if the Jewish people unite, you know, to break darkness as a start a rebellion. So maybe finally darkness will be out, forgotten. Maybe finally light will be gotten. Not only for us, the Jewish people, but for others too, except for the most evil people. But who cares about them too? So you know, we gotta be true, you see. Bullshit or fake stuff, we can't buy, homie G. You already know what we're gonna go do. We gotta break darkness, but how do we do it? I don't even know yet exactly the direction. I told you once, it's a cool direction, but I can't explain the details too. All I know is if we unite in truth, you know, at least unite like this, like that, you know, if we keep it true, we won't want to hate each other, we'll do what we want to, even though that doesn't mean we have to run and hug all the time. But if we stay true and we stay cool, then we will begin doing to others what we should, and we begin loving each other more. And then, you know, it doesn't mean we have to hang out every cool. If you think it's fake, then stay true, stay away. But don't think that brings about it. You could just stay away and stay true. Or stay close, stay true if you want it. But either way, as long as you be loving, as long as we unite, you know, maybe finally darkness won't have a challenger. Or will, I mean, have a challenger to take it down. Can't you see?